Hey you all, Carpetbagger here, coming to you live from the south, more specifically Memphis, Tennessee. And even more specifically than that, I am in front of the notorious Memphis Pyramid. This is the second largest pyramid in America, right behind the pyramid at the Luxor in Las Vegas. Now, this pyramid has quite a storied legacy. It opened in 1991 as a sports arena, and there was kind of bad vibes right from the beginning. On the first night of operation, the water system backed up and the pyramid flooded, and it would be home to a lot of sinking of money and a lot of financial problems. Of note, the St. Valentine's Day Massacre event that was put on by WWF, which saw the one-on-one steel cage match between Stone Cold Steve Austin and Vince McMahon, took place in this building, so all was not lost. But by 2004, they shuttered the pyramid. It was no longer a financially viable sporting arena. And the pyramid sat abandoned for 7 years until 2011, when it was opened up after being purchased by Bass Pro Shops, which has supposedly turned it into some sort of outdoorsy wonderland. So we are here today to check out the current status of the Memphis Pyramid and to see what offerings it has on the inside. So please follow me. You can look up there at the top. You see there's a little observation deck. You can see tiny little people overlooking the city of Memphis. So entering the infamous pyramid. Now, part of the pyramid has actually been converted to a hotel, the big Cypress Lodge. You can see people checking in right there. This motorboat here, we have Bill Dance, who apparently is a very, very famous fisherman. Of course, you would definitely expect a bunch of mounted taxidermy heads. You can see over this massive fire, this young gentleman have purchased some fishing poles. There's a massive elk. Some more deer heads up here. Check out this amazing steampunk catfish. Welcome to paradise. You can really see the shape of the pyramid inside. And looking over here, you can see some taxidermy ducks dangling from the tree. And down here they have a real little swamp with fully stocked with fish. Oh, there's actually some living ducks here in the pond. That's pretty cool. Hello, inside ducks. You guys like living inside? Got a pretty sweet swamp here. Check out all those delicious bass. It's a pretty cool shooting gallery. It's like a old beached paddle boat. Oh, there we go. Sprayed with skunk smell. Let's see what this beaver does. Oh, beaver's going crazy. Looks like there's some sort of badger in that box. Oh, there he comes. There's the badger. See, it's in this treasure chest. What is it? What is it? What is that? Oh, there's another target. So you gotta shoot that open and then hit the target inside. That's tricky. Oh, there we go. Got it. All right, let's try to shoot into this spooky, haunted bedroom right here. Ooh, there's something spooky under the bed. See its eyes pop out? Oh, a squirrel just popped up. Ah, the alligator, there we go. Oh, here he comes. Quite a fleet of geese encircling the top of the pyramid. Now this giant elevator here will take you to the very top of the pyramid where the lookout is. And encircling the bottom of the elevator, they actually have a pit of alligators. You can see the little tiny alligators right there. All right, we're gonna go check out the lookout.
Anything around them? Are they good?
All right, ready for an elevator ride through. All right, there's ground and zero. I guess we're going to zero.
Hello everybody, I'm Bill Dance. Did you know that you're taking a ride on the nation's tallest freestanding elevator? You're flying over 300 feet in the air. Now that's taller than the Statue of Liberty. Pro in size. Well, guess what? There we were when Jack set the hook and reeled in a fish and removed all the pressure. It's all beautiful catfish.
Oh really? That's a bar.
We're at the very tippy top of the pyramid. They have a restaurant, but you can step out and get a good look at the city of Memphis. The entire bar is surrounded by these giant steampunk fish. It's a catfish that looks like a gar right there. And then behind it you can see that there's just a massive fish tank in the very center. So here we are at the very tippy top of the pyramid here on the overlook. We're gonna look at the beautiful city of Memphis, Tennessee, overlooking the beautiful Mississippi River. Now the ground here on the lookout is semi-see-through. It's not that scary because you would just slide down the side of the pyramid if you fell. Here you can look across the mighty Mississippi and see the beautiful land of Arkansas.
Hey, they've even got a big governor's suite with a full kitchen large enough for you to cook up a big Sunday dinner.
Oh wow, look at those giant sturgeon right there. If you actually look up the second level, you see these screened in porches. These are actually the hotel room. They're meant to look like little cabins circling the pyramid on the second floor. Down here in the lagoon we actually have Pig Island. You can see some horrifying taxidermied boars. There's Uncle Buck's fishbowl and grill. You can see a lady there in a fishbowl. See a bowling ball and a bowling pin, so I wonder if this is some sort of double meaning. And here is the underwater themed bowling alley. And check this out. The ball returns are, this one's an alligator right here. Oh, you see over there some sort of fish spewing out that ball. Let's see here. Oh, still one pin standing. This ball return here is a catfish. And then this one here is a great white shark. Mermaid there sitting on the barrel. Yes, this place truly captures what it would be like to go bowling under the sea. See the elevators going up right there. The tippy top of the pyramid. And just look at the size of these giant catfish. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I buy a boat? I've never wanted a boat before, but seeing all these cool boats, suddenly I want to buy a boat. Pretty cool that you can actually look at these boats in a real pond inside a pyramid. So many layers of amazing. There's some artificial turkeys. Guess this is what mannequins eat for Thanksgiving. See all these targets here. These are animals that you can practice shooting at. You notice that coyote is howling. That's the best time to shoot a coyote. You wait till they're howling at the moon. That's when you get them, because they're distracted by the moon. And if guns are your thing, they got a lot of guns. Look at all those guns. Guns, 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 guns. Oh, there's one of those no good coyotes howling at the moon. I was told this was the clothing section, but I don't see any clothes. I just see a bunch of empty hangers and racks. Wonder what happened to all the clothes. Oh, look at the little kitty. He's pawing at something. This guy here is using these binoculars trying to find some ducks. Little does he know, they're all cruising right over his head. The old duck nest over there. Uh-oh, ducks, watch out. There's a skunk. He'll spray you with stink juice. There really is quite a few taxidermy ducks here. Here's some duck hunting items, some historic duck hunting items. Check out this giant gun right here. I mean, do you really need a gun that big? Oh my gosh, look at this one. Do you need guns that are this big to shoot a teeny tiny little duck? Just a itty bitty duck. Do you need to, you try to incinerate him? You try to turn him into dust? Say a wax duck hunter. A pile of dead ducks. Here's a massive historic collection of duck calls. Of course, all I know about duck calls I learned from watching Duck Dynasty. I guess this is what a duck hunter's shed would look like. You know, all full of dead ducks. So yes, the pyramid here in Memphis. One time a sporting arena, and now a heaven for people who like hunting, for people who like fishing, for people who like dead ducks hanging from the ceiling. Pretty cool experience here. If you'd like to see other places I've been, please check the interactive map in the description. It'll tell you all the places I have been, and you can make recommendations on where I need to go next. If you'd like to help support the channel, consider donating to Patreon. $3 or more will get you a postcard once a month. Also sell t-shirts, and now selling smashed pennies in my Etsy shop. All that is in the description. Until next time, this one's in the bag.